Good afternoon, everyone. It's 1:47. Today is Thursday. Oh, Wednesday? Wednesday, Thursday? Today's Thursday. Wednesday. Wait a minute. Sorry. That's funny. Today's Wednesday. 1:47, April 11th. What do we have going on? This is James from Dividend Stock Talk, where we talk about investing in dividend stocks for weekly and monthly cash flow. How do we do that? By investing, collecting the dividend, or collecting the run-up of the dividend just before the stock goes EX, and we can get cash flow on a relatively consistent basis. Let's just quickly jump in and see what's going on this week. All right, like I said, today's the 11th. Here's all the companies this week that are having EX dates. Let me quickly move this up a little bit. Get rid of this, where we clear the filter. And as you can see, there's 17 companies Monday paid out a dividend, 11 companies Tuesday, 11 companies today, 40 tomorrow. How are you guys going to figure out 40 tomorrow? Look at some of these companies tomorrow. I don't even know some of them. Anyway, there's 40 companies tomorrow getting ready to pay out a dividend. So how are you going to know which one to invest in? Well, I'll tell you what. I created this software that allows you to put in the stock symbol, and it tells you how it performed over the last 10 years and its probability of doing what we want it to do over the next 10 days. So I'm not even going to get into that now. Let's just jump in and look at some trades that are coming up today so that we can take a look at. So we want to look 10 days into the future. Today being the 11th, we want to look at around the week of the 25th. And what do we have? We have Monday. Now I'm going to get rid of these because on this account, I want to do weekly options. That means companies that offer weekly options and have a dividend coming up. So that's two things going in my favor. One, they have enough volume so that they can offer weekly options. Two is they have a dividend coming up in 10 days. What does that mean? Well, usually it means that the stock has a tendency to move up coming in to the dividend date, the EX dividend date. But high probability, that it goes down after the EX date. But that's not what we're looking for. We're looking to gain a profit. So let's jump in and take a look at only those companies that are offering dividends. So where we go? We want weekly dividends. Let's cruise on in here. Booyah there. And for the weeklies. So what do we got? We got Race, Clorox, Lowe's, and EPD. Who is EPD? I really don't know. But needless to say, let's see what they're doing and see how we can make a profit on them. Now, if you've been following us, these are the positions that we carried over from last week. Clorox, we ended up with 1,000 shares. So what I did this morning, I went in. Now we own Colgate at, let's quickly view the trade so you can see. We own Colgate at $69.50, which means we were a little bit off our mark last week. So what do we do this week? Colgate is at this moment in time, right here, at $71.34. So what we did, we went in and sold the 70/50s for $1,000. So we made $1,000 off of that, which is great. Now we're going to get into these other positions that we have. Oracle is basically an option position that we're looking just to hold on to this week. And ZTS, we got 500 shares. Oh, sorry, 50 contracts of ZTS. It's another one we're just holding on to see how that progresses. So we already made $1,000 this week for this account. That being all said, we're going to move on and check into with you guys a little bit later on. So you guys have a great day, and I'll look to see you guys either tomorrow or later on tonight.